All right, everybody, welcome back. We are ready for the next part of today's lesson, which is going to be doing a short exercise circuit together. There are 9 different exercises that we're going to do. 3 of them are warm-ups, and then 6 of them are going to be the actual workout. Now, we're going to go through the circuit 2 times, but if at any time you need a little bit of a break and a breather, just hit the pause button on the video, take a quick break, and then hit play whenever you're ready to continue. Now, the camera is stationary, so when I'm getting ready to give directions between exercises, I'm probably going to move in closer to the camera so I'm sure that you can hear me. And then when we're doing the exercises, I'll be backing up away from the camera where I have a little bit more space. I'll try to talk loud enough that you guys can hear me, but I don't have a microphone. So we'll see what happens. This first video is going to be kind of a trial run, and we'll see if there's things I need to change for the next one. But bear with me if you see me coming real close and then far away. That's just because I'm trying to make sure that you guys can hear me. So, is everybody ready? Let's go. All right, the first exercise that we're going to do for our warm-up is our 15 jumping jacks. So following my lead, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. The next exercise for the warm-up is going to be our downhill skiers. We're going to do 15. Now, each time we go from side to side is going to be 1. So it'll be left, right is 1. Okay? So 15 downhill skiers. Ready? Get set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. And the last exercise for our warm-up is going to be our arm circles to get our shoulders and our chest nice and loose. So we're ready for the push-ups and the bicep curls that are getting ready to come. So we're going to do 30 seconds of arm circles. We're going to start out small and going forward, arms out beside your shoulders. Nice small arm circles moving forward. And backwards. A little bit bigger, still going backwards. Forwards. Big circles going forward. And relax. Good. Okay. All right. The first exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do 10 push-ups, and then we're going to follow that with 10 sit-ups. So we've done plenty of push-ups and sit-ups in the gym this year. Remember, when we're doing the push-ups, if you need to modify, you can either go onto your knees or you can find a wall and do wall push-ups like we've done in the gym this year. We're going to do 10 push-ups and then 10 sit-ups right in a row. All right, starting with the push-ups first. Push-up position. Make sure your back's nice and straight. If you need to modify, you can drop down to your knees, but still keep that back nice and straight. Shouldn't see anybody's butts up in the air. Nice, flat back. 10 push-ups. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. After you finish your push-ups, roll over onto your back, and we're going to do our sit-ups. Knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Come all the way up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. All right. So far, so good. The next exercises that we're going to do are we are going to do our dips, which if you remember what a dip was, that was whenever we sat on the stage and put our hands on the stage and then slid off and we bent at the elbows. Now, for these, you can either use the couch, you can use a chair from your kitchen table, or anything else that you can find that kind of stays up off the ground. For example, I have a weight bench behind me. I'm going to use the bench on my weight bench, but most of you probably don't have one of those sitting around. So if you can find a chair or the couch or something to use, that would be great. After we do our dips, we're going to go into bicep curls and shoulder presses, which we're going to combine the two. We're going to use our weights. You're going to do a bicep curl and then a shoulder press. And we're going to do 10 of those. So dips first, and then our curls and presses. Let's go. All right, for the dips first, slide off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. All right, we finished our dips. We're going to get our weights. If you don't have any weights, that's okay. I'm going to back up, and we're going to do a bicep curl, shoulder press. We're going to do 10 of those. Ready? Go. Curl, press 1. Curl, press 2. Curl, press 3. Curl, press 4. Curl, press 5. Curl, press 6. Curl, press 7. Curl, press 8. Curl, press 9. Curl, press 10. Very good. Now we are done with our weights for this round, so you can set those back down on the floor. And the last two exercises we're going to do is we are going to do 10 squats and then 20 Frankensteins. For our squats, remember feet shoulder width apart. You're going to bend at the knees, keep your back nice and straight. 10 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. And then if you remember our Frankenstein, where we stand, put your hand in front, and kick your hand. Now make sure you have plenty of space, that you're not going to hit anybody else while you're doing these. And we're going to do 20, so 10 on each leg. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Now, that first circuit took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to. So if you would like to go back to the beginning of the video and start it again and do it a second time, that is great. You are more than welcome to. But for everybody else, we're just going to stop there for today to make sure that we have enough time for the other activities. Third grade, if you want to go back to the beginning of the circuit and do it again, you are absolutely welcome to do that. But otherwise, that is all I have for you guys today. Fourth and fifth grade, I would like for you to go back into the Google Classroom, and under the assignment you will see a Google form that says name that bone activity. I need you to open that Google form, go through and answer the questions. Make sure you put your name in the very first question. It gives you a place to write your name. Make sure you write your name so I know who it's coming from. Answer all 10 of the questions. Match the letter on the picture to the bone that is the correct answer. When you're done, make sure you hit submit so that I can see it. And I will see all of you the next time when we start learning new material on April 13th. I hope everybody has a great couple weeks. I will see you guys later. Awesome job today.